Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Division 101. Today we are going to solve some problems in grade 3 in lesson 5 and 6. Lesson 5 talks about the events in bounds, and lesson number 6 is build a Star Wars game. So let's start. So are you ready now, kids? So click sign in. This time I will be using the class grade 3D, okay? But for those student that is new in coding, you can create your account. If you have already your account, you can sign in using your username and password. But this time, I will be using our class 3D. So the class code for 3D is TJQWRH. And then, click continue. But before you click continue, do not be confused about the code. Code is different from other classes. So click go. And then look for your name. Okay, this is grade 3D. The same with class 3A, B, and C. So click your name and then write your secret word. Okay, then click sign in. So when you click sign in, you are now in our class. So this time, events start with lesson 5. We will be doing lesson 5 number 2. Let's start. Are you ready now? So this is number 2. Okay, lesson 5 number 2. So it is here. Now attach a block to the when right event so that the hand can get to both basket. So it says the first one is when left arrow. This one is the left arrow. The hand will move to the left. So of course, when right arrow, you need to move right. You get it? So after that, click run. So just use arrow left or arrow right, and it's done. So that's it. We will move on to 5, puzzle number 5. I will leave it to you the 3 and 4. So this time, you can see, it says in the instruction, attach sound block. All you need to do is to attach sound block. What is that sound? This one, the sound. And make the net wish when you hit the basket. And also, have a whistle blow when the ball misses your hand. So there are 2 sounds we are going to create. So this one. So, but beforehand, we need to do, this one is similar to lesson 3 and 4. Okay. So when the ball hits the hand, what happened? The ball bounce. When the ball hits the wall, what happened? The ball bounce also. But when the ball in the goal, it says here you need to add sound. What sound is that? The net wish. And when the ball missed the hand, what sound? It's a whistle. Okay? So let's try. Run. Let's make it bigger. Run. So try to shoot the ball. Okay, so that's it. We all need the sound. Okay, did you get it? Okay, next we will move on to practice number 7. Okay, this is practice number 7. So the same way, left to the left. When the ball hits the hand, bounce. When the ball hits the wall, bounce. And then when the ball in the goal, what happened? When the ball in the goal, the sound is net wish. And when the ball misses the hand, the sound is whistle. But this time it says, now you are in control of the ball. Attach the throw new ball block in the places where games need a new ball. So what is the places that needs a new ball? Number one, this one, win run, throw a ball. Win the ball in the goal, what next? You need to throw a ball. And when the ball miss the hand, we need to throw another ball. Okay, but down here, it says that see how many points you can score before the opponent scored twice. Now, you have the version history that when the ball in the goal, score point. Okay, you see it? But when the ball miss the hand, score opponent. Right? So that's the basic. Okay, let's try. Try to run. So remember, if you miss, the score is with your, okay, you have one score now. Next. If you miss, the score is with your opponent. Okay, you have two score. Now I will try to mix it up. Okay, score is in my opponent. Next. Okay, and I will miss the fifth ball. Okay, so meaning to say, okay, see how many points you can score before your opponent score twice. So I have 3 score, then my opponent scored twice. And that's how to play the game. Okay, you see it? So that is lesson 5, practice number 7. Now, let's go on to lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, we will be doing also 2, 5, and 9. So number 2. So in number 2, it says here, hold down this button or arrow keys of your keyboard to trigger the movement events. Okay, so let's try. Okay, you have the RD-D2 robot. So it says here, when up arrow, this one is up arrow, and when down arrow. What happened when you click this arrow? Okay, of course, it will move up. And then when down arrow, it will move down also. You understand? So when you run, move down and move up. Okay, so that's it. That's how to solve. That's how to solve lesson 6, number 2. Now let's go to number. Okay, let's 5. Continue lesson 6, number 5. So this time, in our instruction, it says that add 100 points when RD-D2 gets the rebel robot or rebel pilot. Sorry. Remove 100 when he gets a storm trooper. So there are 2 conditions here that when you get this one, the rebel pilot, you can get 100 points. So 2 become 200 points. But if you get this one, you get minus points of 100 points each. And all you need to do is to get 200 points. How can we do that? So first, when get rebel robot, you need to get 100 points, right? Okay. When you get stormtrooper, you can, okay, minus 100 points. So remove 100 points. And we need 200. Don't worry. It says here you can use the Minac to make it easier. So this is the Minac. And then you can add how many points? 1,000 points. So our task here now is to get this one. This is the Minac. Okay. But even if you get this one, still you can have more than 200 points. Okay, let's start. Okay, so start. Okay, so you have 800 points, right? So 800 points meaning you're done with puzzle number 5. Okay, so that is how to solve practice number 5, lesson 6. Okay, so continue doing it. Practice number 9 in lesson 6. Okay, I will start over. Okay, set your droid and its speed. Now, use the new commands to change your droid and its speed. Get the rebel pilot. This one is our target. So, set droid and set droid to pass. Okay, so we have 3 rebel robot and we need to do it. Okay, we need to do it. Set C3PO. This one is C3PO robot or RD. We will use RD. If you want to use RD, we can use RD. This one is RD D2 robot. And set droid to fast. Now let's try to run. So let's try to run, and we must get all 3 rebel robots, rebel pilot. So down, 1, up, careful, 1 more, up, I cannot get it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so puzzle is complete and you can continue to number 10. Okay, so that is how to solve some puzzle in lesson 5 and 6. Okay, hoping that you learned something today. If you have some particular puzzle practice that you need solution, how to solve it, please don't forget to send me a message or a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will be updated for the new videos will be uploaded in our channel. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Enjoy solving puzzle in our code.